I'm the queen of sleek and slanted edges with the ponytails.
Started with nothing, look at me now, I made a way for me. Remember them times when it was hard for me to save a G. The cars weren't always foreign, but we would get from A to B. Interior in the Beamer tan, Benz got some white seats. Hold on, baby, what's your name? Mr. Face for me. She from Memphis, from behind, looking like a Georgia peach.
Hey guys, it's Dominique, LaShae, and I'm back with another video. Y'all already know how we doing in my videos. We just get to the point. I want to say a huge shout out to Betterlength for sponsoring this video. Thank y'all for sending me over this 14-inch natural Yaki ponytail. It look like my hair, don't it? Who said this ain't my hair? This my hair. Stop playing with me. One thing about Betterlength, all their ponytails are human hair. They have more than ponytails. They have wigs. They have hairband wigs. They have clip-ins. Whatever the girlies needs to get fine for the summer, baby, they got it. Yeah, but if y'all ready to see how your girl got this look, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so to start off with the ponytail, you got to put the hair in the slick back. I start from the back and work my way up, sectioning my hair to make it easier to manage. Then I apply gel to my roots to really lay everything down and keep it slick. For each section, I rotate between my detangler and my brush to get it nice and smooth. Wet the brush. I keep brushing each section back, blending it all together as I go. Once everything is smooth, I gather my hair into a ponytail and secure it tightly. Continue to repeat these steps until all your hair is gathered into one ponytail. Finally, I go back in with a little more gel in my brush to smooth all the hair and finish the look. Got tired of your shit, you almost took my After putting your hair in a ponytail, y'all, my hair is wet because I'm doing a ponytail. I don't freshly wash hair. So to get that ponytail as slick as you want to, you need to do it on freshly washed hair and do it in sections, y'all. Saw me doing it in sections. So I'm finna tie this down and let it dry. And then we're going to do the edges because you know we can't do edges on wet hair because it's just going to curl up. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so now that my hair is dry, we're gonna go in with the edges. We're gonna try this new edge wax. This is from Dollar Tree. So let us get into these edges. When I say this is the quickest style, like if you finna go out, wedding, dates, anywhere, this is the quickest style to do. Now let's lay some edges. Time will bring the real end about your eye. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty. Had to fill out my prescription, cause you had to set you free. This is what we not gonna do. That in the back, what you do to the front, you're gonna do to the back. So we just gonna take a little edge control and push that on back. Push it on back there, push it on back. Now I need my glasses because I need to sight. Oh! While it's sticking up, that's gonna lay down when we tie it down. So this part is the fun part. Shout out to Betterlength for sponsoring this video. Y'all already know when I put on the ponytail, come on now. Who else sponsoring? Betterlength is the only ponytails I've been wearing. So let's get into her. This is the 14-inch Yaki natural ponytail. Yes. This is how she look. Do she match? She gonna match today. So you have one comb at the top, and then you have one comb at the bottom, and of course you have the drawstring. So with this ponytail, you want to put this top clip as close to the ponytail as you can, and then you want to put the back clip as close to the bottom up under there as you can. Taking this drawstring, and you're just gonna wrap it. Make sure it's pulled tight. And then you taking a piece from the bottom, because we got to blend her in.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Okay. Let me count her. Check me out. Okay, so I'm putting a little oil in my hair just to make it blend a little bit, and just so the edge control don't have the white cast on it. You can run the flat iron through your ponytail if you want to. But look how flowy she is. Check me out.
Sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby. You my lady. Girl, you amaze me.
She pretty. So of course I'm gonna have everything linked down below in the description box. So be sure to shop on Betterlength page, y'all. And if you know me, you know Betterlength is the only ponytails I wear. Like, come on in. I'm the queen of sleek and slaying the edges with the ponytails. Period, point blank. But I want to send a huge shout out to Betterlength for sponsoring this video, y'all. Be sure to check them out. Be sure to use my coupon code. Be sure to go shop. Summertime's coming, and who got time to glue lace, put all this stuff on your forehead? It's sweaty, lace lifting up. He trying to figure out what's wrong with your wig. We ain't doing all that. We ain't doing wigs in this 100-degree weather. Go get you a ponytail. Use my code. And again, shout out to Betterlength for sponsoring this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we out of here.